My family has been laying brick for over 75 years. There's buildings here in town that my great-granddad has laid brick on, and buried in those walls is his story. When I lay brick, I get to connect with him. I don't think most people get that. They see the wall, but not the rhythm, precision, pride, or legacy. You know, masonry has a way of telling a story for my dad and his, and it will tell my story when I'm not around. I don't lay brick just to get it done, I lay it to last. And the truth is, most people don't get what goes into it. They don't see the insulation, the ties, the hours spent tweaking every course to make sure it's plumb. That's why I started showing the process, because the job matters, but so does how it gets done. With CompanyCam, I can show work the way I see it. So the next generation and the people I build for see what good work really looks like. Not to prove anything, but just to let people in. Because when you see what goes into the work, the care, the craft, the history, you start to understand. This isn't just work. It's a story. It's leaving a legacy, and it deserves to be seen. Because we do good work.